Hey traders! Today I am very excited to take you through what a lot of traders consider to be the most accurate indication of a reversal. Yes, the head and shoulders pattern is a real telltale sign that buyers are running out of steam and sellers are flying into the market and maybe about to take over. I am creating 2 videos each and every week packed with awesome Forex tips, tricks and strategies, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified of all my future videos. Okay, let's get into it. So first up, what is the head and shoulders pattern? Okay, so the pattern is signified by 3 peaks. The 2 outer peaks are similar in height and the middle peak is higher. It is important to note that you should be looking for the pattern to form at an area of resistance, such as a trend line or horizontal resistance level. My previous video went into depth about how to spot these potential reversal areas. The link will be appearing in the top right of your screen. Check it out after this video. The 2 lower levels in the head and shoulders pattern are the shoulders, and the middle higher level is the head. This pattern also has a neckline, and that is drawn so the lowest point of the retracement from the first shoulder and the lowest point of the retracement from the head are joined together. It is also important to note here that the neckline does not have to be horizontal. It can either slope up or slope down, and in fact, if the neckline is sloping down, this is often a stronger signal that a reversal may be about to happen. It is also important to note that this symmetry and clarity rarely appears on the real charts, so spotting these patterns will also take a little bit of practice. Let's have a look at a few examples to help you out here. So here we can see a head and shoulders pattern on the Euro-Pound chart. Here are the 2 shoulders around the 9016 level. The head is here at around the 9085 level, and here is the neckline. You can see that after the pattern formed, heavy bearish momentum took over. This is actually a good example of a fairly clear head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so here we can also see a head and shoulders formation on the US dollar Swiss franc chart. The 2 shoulders are around the 10,176 level. The head formed at around the 10,292 level, and the neckline is right here. This time the pattern is not the easiest to spot, and the first shoulder is markedly different to the second shoulder. You should always bear this in mind when looking out for these patterns. After the pattern formed, once again the market underwent heavy bearish momentum. Okay, so let's look at how the pattern forms. So this pattern forms after a strong period of bullish action. The market has been rising for some time when price stalls and retraces to a level, giving us that first shoulder. Price then reverses and pushes up and past the first shoulder to form a new high. Price will then likely stall here once again before reversing, giving us the head. The market price will then reach a level where it will stop and bounce, and price will again head up to around the same level as the first shoulder. Remember, this is important for the pattern to be valid. The highs of the 2 shoulders must be around the same height. It is also at this point that the neckline can and should be drawn from the low of the first shoulder to the low of the head. The market price will then reverse and undergo bearish momentum, and the pattern is confirmed once the price has broken through the neckline. Now, I think it is important to note here why the pattern is a signal that the bulls are running out of steam. In my view, the pattern represents the breaking of an uptrend. Remember from my video on identifying trends appearing in the top right of your screen now, that for an uptrend to remain valid, the market must continue to make higher highs and higher lows. If we look at the head and shoulders pattern, this is true until, normally, the second shoulder, where a lower high is then formed. Thus, the uptrend which was in session has now been broken. And this is also why a downward sloping neckline is a stronger signal that a reversal may be about to happen, because this would be when the low of the head is lower than the low of the first shoulder. This means that in that previous uptrend, you now suddenly have a lower low and the lower high of the second shoulder, and this could be the start of a downtrend. So now let's look at where and how to enter. So there are 3 schools of thought and preferred strategies for where to enter a trade on this pattern. However, everyone agrees on the fact that you should not enter until the pattern has been confirmed, and this is by price breaking through that neckline. So, the first and possibly the most risky strategy is to set an automatic order to sell or go short once the market breaks through the neckline. That is, setting the order at a price just below that neckline. However, this does leave you open to being taken out by what's known as a fakeout. That is, the market looking like it's breaking below the neckline before quickly reversing and finishing above it. Now, the second option is to wait until the market has definitely finished below the neckline. At this point, you would enter a sell order and place your stop loss. And my preferred point for setting a stop loss is just above the high of the second shoulder in this pattern. However, this does also depend on your risk to reward ratio. And the third option is to wait for the market to break through the neckline and then bounce back up once more to that broken neckline. You can then place your sell order. This is a great method because it further confirms that the level is simply too much for buyers and sellers will then likely take over. It also allows you to place your stop just above that high of the final retracement to the neckline, giving you potentially a better risk to reward ratio. However, the market may not always perform this final retracement, and so you may miss out on a few opportunities to trade this pattern. In the end, it is down to personal preference and also risk tolerance which strategy you choose. This pattern is obviously a great indication that a reversal is likely to happen, and spotting it and trading it can greatly increase your trading success. However, for maximum effectiveness, it should be combined with a base strategy. That's why I have created a 100% free ebook for you called the 3-Step Trading System, which details the basic strategy that I started out with to trade successfully in the markets. Simply go to www.theposhenglishtrader.com/3steps to download that now completely free. Once again, simply type into your browser address bar www.theposhenglishtrader.com/3steps or simply click on the link in the video description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be notified of all my future videos. Okay guys, until next time.